Hi, thanks for stopping by. My name is Joe Maserati. I live in Denver, Colorado, and chances are you're watching this video because you're looking for a way to make some money, maybe from working from home, using the internet, maybe doing affiliate marketing, or maybe you're already a marketer and you're looking for a platform, a tool, maybe some software to help you in your existing business. For whatever reason, or maybe it's a little bit of both. But I want to share with you what we're doing right now to make a significant amount of money working from home using the internet, marketing a tool that everyone needs. Every single person that has a business can use this. And why should you listen to me? Well, I've been an online marketer now full time, earning a six-figure income for about 3 years. Now, I've always been a six-figure earner for probably the last 10 years, but I had that traditional job where I owned a small corporation. I had to run it. I had people working for me, so I didn't have a life. I had, about between 10 and 15 people I had to manage on a day-to-day basis. I was working 12 to 14-hour days. Just wasn't very fun. Since I switched over to working from home, online marketing, now I work about 4 to 6 hours a day. But the reason why I've had so much success is because one of my best friends here in Denver has been a full-time marketer, SEO guy, online businesses for well over a decade. And he's kind of shown me how to do all this. I mean, he makes 500 grand a month. So he's been an awesome friend to have. He's been great to learn from. So anyway, we can show you what we're doing, but we're running right now. We're using a company called Powered Lead System. It's a lead generation platform that anyone can use in any business, no matter what business you're in. You can use this. Here's just some of the things that this platform does. And like I use Aweber. Some people have heard of that for email marketing. Now I pay quite a bit of money because of the number of subscribers I have on my list. I'm paying about $250 a month. Well, I switched over to this because it's only going to be $30 a month, and they don't charge you extra until your subscriber list goes over 30,000. So that's pretty impressive. But here's just a few things that this platform can do. You can create custom lead capture pages, custom sales pages, custom video pages. You can have autoresponder messages customized in there. You can have custom Google Hangouts. You can have your data tracked, your link trackers. There's training. There's so many things with this free lead capture system. So if you really want to make some money, you can promote this as a tool, since everybody needs it and they'll pay you. This company's been around 17 years. They have just launched this platform as an affiliate product. Before, you couldn't use it. You could buy it, but they didn't have a way to have affiliates make money with it. And there's companies like, Empower, the leaders in Empower Network are using it. Solivay, Global Resorts Network, Cool Trader Pro, people in the insurance industry, the real estate industry. Students of Anthony Robbins are using this. But the problem was it's $18,000 to get a license to use this in a company for your team. Well, right now, since they launched it as an affiliate product, you can actually get started for free and check it out. You can make, this is going to be a 5-figure a month income, and it's the easiest way to make money I've seen. I haven't been this excited about anything in at least 6 to 12 months. A product everybody needs, and there's a twist on the 100% commissions. But let me just show you something real quick. Let me click over to my screen. Okay, so here we are in my Gmail account. This is me, Joe Maserati. Okay, that's my email. All right, these are leads that I've generated for this program we're involved with. You can see right here, I sent out an ad on this day, on September 15th. I grabbed 60 leads and another 7 the following day. And then down here, I sent out an ad on September 6th, 61 the following day, 81. So, you know, you're talking a couple hundred leads that I was able to generate in just doing really no work at all besides moving, copy and pasting with the mouse. But let me click back real quick. I just wanted to show you all these leads that I have coming in. Now, this is the simplest way you're ever going to come across to make money. There's basically 3 easy steps. Step 1, sign up, get with us, and see, you know, that way you can get our free training. You know, step 2, set up your system. It takes 5 minutes to set up your system. And step 3, advertising. You need some traffic going to your website that we're going to show you how to do. And all those opt-ins that I just showed you, all those people that contacted me, all those came in. I didn't have to call one person. I didn't have to convince anybody or do any selling. Every single person came in through our lead capture system. We'll show you how to do it. But those leads alone, you know, those couple hundred leads alone are going to equal a 5-figure a month residual income. We'll show you how to do this. So for right now, just take a look at this company. You know, it's a 17-year-old company. Millions of dollars have been put into the development of the platform. It's the best you're going to find. It's a tool everybody needs, and you get 100% commissions with it. So go to the link underneath this video. You're going to see a short presentation, a short video going over a little bit more in depth, and then there's a link underneath here, and check it out. You know, watch the short video and come and join us and make a ton of money with this. We know what we're doing. Like I said, my friend makes 500 grand a month. I'm a 6-figure earner. The people that he showed are the other people in our group. We're all 6-figure earners. So let us help you. We'll make your life really easy. You'll get the freedom back in your life because you'll be making some money. You know, you'll be happy. And you'll get to do some things that you enjoy doing. Maybe it's spend more time with your family, maybe travel more. But if you want to get the freedom back in your life, go ahead and click that link and go to that website now. And if you have any questions, give me a ring. 720-295-6311. My number should be down there as well. And hopefully we'll talk to you soon and see you on the other side.